Assalamualaikum everyone. Today I will show you how to create this beautiful 3D pop-out manipulation in Photoshop CC. So let's get started. First open Photoshop. I will use just two images. This one is an iPhone and this is a girl's picture sitting on the grass. Okay, so let's start our video. First double click on this background layer and click OK. Then select polygonal lasso tool and select the screen area of the iPhone. Click on this point and select just the screen, not the full phone. Okay, selection is ready. Now press Ctrl J. So it's make a copy of the screen. Let's say this one is our selection. Okay, now go to filter, then click on convert for smart filters. Select OK. Okay, it will create as smart objects. Then I will take this image, just drag and drop the image to this image, zoom out with Ctrl minus and press Ctrl T. Now resize the image. Place the image on the screen. Okay, I think it's perfect. Now hold Alt and just click here, so it will create the clipping mask. Now it's a clipping mask, and now right click on this layer and duplicate layer. Click OK. Then I will remove the clipping mask on this layer, so again hold Alt key on the keyboard and just click between two layers. Okay, clipping masks disappear on this layer. Just see. Now I will add layer mask on this layer. Click on this layer mask and click layer mask icon. Then select brush tool and select black color on foreground. Okay. Now press Alt or backspace from keyboard. Now I will brush with white color only on the body of the girl. Okay, now select white color on the foreground. Just press X button on the keyboard. Okay, now white color is selected as foreground color. Now I will bigger the brush size. Just press right third bracket on the keyboard. So it will bigger the brush size. Now only brush on the girl's body, not anywhere else. Okay, I am brushing. If other parts are visible, I will remove it later. Okay, girl's body is visible now. Now I will remove this area. So again press X to toggle the colors. Okay. Again brush with black color so that this area will disappear. Okay, it's nice. Now see, it's really very easy tutorial. Just look at this 3D pop-out effect. Okay, that's it guys. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.